elementary all the way at TK and preschool, all the way through high school. And I can't thank our school board enough for making these opportunities possible. We know that as educators, the multiple benefits of our youth participating in the arts, not only for them to be able to build up their confidence, self-esteem, to be able to be on stage, but it also helps them think differently and be better prepared for future opportunities. The arts are also a nice way to be able to bring the community together, to celebrate, to have fun, and to be able to recognize and see each other and express ourselves in different ways. And those are the things that we're able to offer here in our school district.
It's important for us to have this arts festival because we really want to showcase how talented our Linwood students are. Today we had middle school bands perform, we had high school dance teams, we had elementary school kids perform. It was really a community effort, a community event. And so it was very exciting to see everybody come together to showcase how talented our students are. And I'm really grateful for it. I'd like to thank our event sponsors, the Linwood Partners Educational Foundation, Congress Kids, the Music Center, PS Arts, Mariachi Celito Lindo for donating their performance, and a huge shout out to all of our staff for helping make this event happen for our students and our community. Thank you.